Hi everyone, it's Dr. Samantha Benjamin Allen here to talk to you today about heart failure. I am board certified in physical medicine and rehab, and I'm going to give you some tips and information from a rehab perspective to help you live better if you are experiencing heart failure complications or just the things that come along with it. So what is heart failure? Heart failure happens when your heart does not pump the blood through your body efficiently. There is some deficiency in the pumping function of the heart that is not allowing it to pump your blood through your system, and therefore not allowing oxygen to get to necessary areas of your body the way it should. Now, what are some signs and symptoms of heart failure? So one is swelling in the ankles and the legs. It's common initially for people to notice swelling in the legs and ankles from fluid buildup, and this is what we call edema. And edema can become so bad that people cannot walk, and it can continue to rise all the way up into the abdomen and the chest and cause congestion in your lungs. So another symptom is shortness of breath, and especially when you are exerting yourself or lying flat. Another symptom can be rapid weight gain from fluid retention. So that's why it's important to check your weight once a week, just to make sure that you're not getting too far off of your normal. One, to keep a track of your weight so you can maintain a healthy weight, and two, to see if something abnormal is going on. If you're gaining too much weight in too short a period of time, something might be causing that, and heart failure could be one of those things. And if you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important that you get medical attention urgently, because it can progress and lead to death. Now, sometimes what I've seen trigger heart failure actually is someone who's been under a lot of stress. Either they've been suffering through a traumatic loss, grief, or caregiving for someone that requires a high level of attention, and they have started to neglect themselves as a result of what they're going through. And then these things kind of gradually progress, and then it gets to a point where they need to be hospitalized, and that is what I want you to avoid. So what can you do if you had heart failure and you're trying to recover? Exercise is major. Exercise helps to circulate blood through your body and helps to keep your fluid levels down, because you're basically assisting your heart pumping system by mobilizing. So going for a walk for 20 to 30 minutes a day is great. That's a great start. Also, you can wear compression socks if you have a lot of swelling in your legs and your ankles. Compression socks help to apply a level of pressure that is conducive to keeping blood flowing upwards towards your heart and helping it to circulate through your system appropriately, so it doesn't accumulate and build up in those legs. Now, another thing is how you are providing nutrients to your body. What are you putting in? So you want to reduce salty foods. High salt or sodium in your diet can lead to fluid retention. So you want to avoid processed foods, eat more foods you have to prepare, natural foods. Make sure you're getting 2 to 3 fruits and vegetables every day. Balance with whole grains as well. So like oatmeal, normal, regular Cheerios, the whole grain bread with the seeds and the oats on it. The whole grains really is helpful for your heart health. And then you want to avoid fatty foods. So a lot of red meat, high fat. So you want to avoid that, and also be careful of the oils that you use. So specific oils that are helpful when you're cooking that will not contribute to the problem are olive oil, safflower oil, grapeseed oil. Now, olive oil does burn at a low temperature, so that's more for like sauteing, or if you're sprinkling it on your salad when you're having making a dressing. But grapeseed oil actually has a high boiling point, so you can use grapeseed oil for things that you need to cook longer, and avoid the risk of the high fatty content of other oils that could really deter you from healing from your heart failure episode. Now, if you would like more tips and information to help you on your wellness journey to living better, follow, and I will see you next time. And I will have some information on the comments with a little more detail, so you can check that out, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.